Good afternoon once again from the Museum of the Future in Dubai. Very pleased to welcome Ms. Khuloud Hasan Nuwais. Thank you very much for being with us tonight. Very big night in Dubai. Innovation and reducing food waste. Where are we?
Thank you very much for welcoming us to this amazing event. Food innovation is something that is really much needed to support the food ecosystem in achieving its targets of reducing food loss and waste by 50% by 2030, which is the basically the target that NAMA, the National Food Loss and Waste Initiative, is trying to achieve. Of course, this is something that cannot be achieved in isolation, and this is why NAMA is a collaborative approach that works with all the sectors across the food supply chain to work together to co-create and innovate the right solutions to tackling and addressing food loss and waste.
As you know, UAE is among the world's top 3 destinations in terms of hotels that represent a major, basically, a source of food waste. What are the partnerships of NAMA with hotels and hotel chains to reduce food waste through solid, innovative initiatives?
This is a great question because NAMA in the last year has been working very closely with the HoReCa sector, with the hospitality sector. We have been applying behavioral science nudges to change and influence the behavior of the customers, and also to work with the hotels to basically change some of the current practices that are leading to food waste. One of the key things that we have been doing is working with the hotels to measure actual food loss and waste, to apply behavioral science nudges such as reducing the portion sizes, looking at increasing the level of awareness by providing messaging, and also introducing practices like waste separation so that the hotels can measure their actual food waste and monitor that over time, so we can know what is the difference in food waste reduction and the impact of applying these behavioral science nudges.
How can we monetize food waste, make it more lucrative financially for parties to take part?
There is a lot of opportunities simply by bringing the right innovations to this part of the world to help us address food waste. So we work with a lot of technology companies that are actually supporting food waste measurement, that are also supporting waste management. So they are basically working with many of the companies and the hotels and the businesses we work with to make sure, for example, unedible food is converted to other products such as fertilizer, for example. And for them, this is a business that is actually profitable, but at the same time, it's supporting us in creating a lot of circularity and reducing food loss and waste.
We've recently seen very solid steps in the UAE in terms of laws and regulations, such as banning plastic bags. Are we going to see solid regulations for combating food waste?
This is something that actually is another key pillar in NAMA. But what we are doing at the moment is we want people to willingly change some of the current behaviors and practices. We want to see that adoption to more sustainable practices, and then at the scale-up phase, we will be looking at different policies that will allow us to scale up some of these sustainable practices in the long term.
Ms. Nuwais, thank you very much for being with us.
Thank you very much.